Hey, I'm back at the MadAss project again. Engine installation. Take 2, because I have some right parts again. Still, now. Also, I picked up a new wiring harness just to run the engine. So the engine and the lighting's going to be separate issues. Picked up a harness. I'll be able to run the engine separate from everything else, so I can get that part going. And then I'll deal with Spaghetti Monster at a later time and make that right. But first things first, let's get the engine in, take off that brake arm, and then measure up to put some sleeves, and then lift the engine up, and go. Alright. I don't know why I put the brake arm on, just mostly to keep it out of the way, I think. And oops. Rapid fire gun, go. Woohoo! Jeez. Why? Why did I never have one of these before?
Yeah, you've used it a lot since you got it.
It's great. Alright, now I'm gonna measure up. The MadAss engine had 10 mil bolts bolting it in. This one has a 9 millimeter hole and M9 bolts are not very common, so where I got the engine from uses M8, and I got a sleeve that's M9 on the outside and 8 on the inside. So there will be no slop around where the engine bolts go. Nice and snug. Now all I have to do is measure and trim them with my...
So the sleeve, you gotta cut the sleeve. So
I got it. Yeah, I just bought a long length of stainless tubing, and I will cut it off at...
Well, that's a better way to do it than find the other bolt.
Oh yeah, it was way easier to... So I want this measured off at 94 mil. If I can... Where's my marker? So somewhere around here. And I threw my cap away. And then, through the magic of...
Is that gonna cut it?
This is a tube cutter.
Oh.
It makes a nice clean little...
Wait, I want to see.
You want to see? Do you see? Now, you get this, and you snug it in, and you just turn it, you snug it in some more, and then you hopefully turn it. It's probably easier when you're doing bigger pipes. Oh. And if you're really lucky, you got one that's probably dull as heck. Come on.
So it just scores it.
It just keeps scoring it.
Snap it or something?
No, it will cut through. I don't know when the last time this thing was used, but I have one. Oh, and apparently I cut myself.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't have first aid training.
I do.
Injuries.
That's an electrical tape won't fix. I don't even know how I did that.
Well, something is sharp, just not the part that's supposed to be cutting the...
Come on. Jeez. Alright. This,
Do you want me to hold something?
no, I almost got it. I may have to. I can't tell. Alright. Do I just. Maybe this thing isn't forgotten stainless steel.
Can you, like,
No,
put it in something to snap it now?
no, I don't have enough. There we go. What I really need. What I really need is a vise. There we go.
Do you have a
We
vice?
did it.
Okay, good. I was about to ask if you had a vice grip.
There we go. One sleeve. The bad news is I got to do it again. I should have done the smaller one first. And this one is 80 something. Or I should just bust it out the grinder and did it the quick and dirty way. One more night. Uh-oh. Now. Oh, mosquito. Dead.
I wonder if you can hear all the birds on the video.
Probably. It's absolute mayhem. Sounds like a bird sanctuary out here. Alright. Can you pass me the vice grips?
This?
This. The grippies of vice. Now, hopefully, which side, if I measure off which side is which. So, don't hold the vice grips on the side you want to keep. Why didn't I do this the first time? Ooh, there we go. Mostly. And this one. Oh, yeah. Alrighty. So we got two of them in. Put that out of the way because I don't want to break that. Now, let's see. Do I put the engine on my lap and put it up? Or do I put a jack under it? Okay.
And do you want a chair? I can get you that other black chair.
No, I'm just gonna hopefully lift this engine up enough.
Do you want a Band-Aid?
No. I have a feeling I'm gonna have to take this off again.
Oh, the battery box?
Yes. I'm probably better off taking it off.
Yeah, this guy.
Didn't I say in the last video, never time to do it right? Come on. This was... There we go. Don't scratch the new paint. Alright, I guess I'll keep you there. Now, let me see. Alright, I should be able to. Should be able to lift this up. If I get my...
Do you want me to do anything?
No. Actually, if you can come over here.
With the camera, or you just need
Well,
to
you
do
can
my
put the
hands?
camera back here. I'm just going to get you. Fucking freaking old mosquitoes. I thought that season was over with.
What do you need?
I'm going to get you. I'm going to lift this engine up. And when I get up there, this hole here, I just want you, yeah, I just want you to hopefully put that bolt through.
I gotta go.
Just there we go. Here. And then if
That's as far as it goes.
no.
I can get something to put under the engine if you want.
I just need to find out where the other end of the hole is.
Let me come to this side so I can.
Come on.
You're almost there. It's gotta go up like a 0.5 millimeter.
Hold on a sec. I'm just gonna put the back one in, hopefully. Come on.
Oh, I see where it's supposed to go. I just have to.
All right. I'm gonna come around that side.
Yeah, I was gonna try to put this down so I could.
No, I gotta take something off of the other side.
Oh.
There's
There's something blocking it, right? Because
yes.
the screw didn't push in anything.
Yeah. So let me by there. I'm gonna lift this side up and at least get that bolt through. Oh man. Oh, that's what it was. The freaking
Yeah, I couldn't
the
really.
clutchy.
I couldn't really tell what was in the way.
Come on. This thing is...
Do you want me to just hold it steady from the other side?
No, I don't. So,
Or I can wheel this jack under it.
no, I might have to. No, I got a couple things working against me here. All right.
So what's in the way?
On the back side, I can't tell what's in the way. This side.
This side, this bolt needs to. It's about 1 centimeter off from this hole.
I might have to grind the.
I think you gotta.
No, the top, like. The top, I got a couple things working against me. Maybe I might have to drop this down.
Here.
I'm going to take the sleeve out of that one. That might give me this. All right. Engine back out.
So you're filming an engine back out video now.
Yeah. So, sleeve on top, maybe not. So,
Okay, so what was happening?
on the bottom side, there's this little tiny
Hook thing.
hook that I got to take off.
As that was blocking it from the
The
bottom
back.
bolt to line up to the hole.
Yes.
Okay. And what was wrong with the top
The
bolt?
top one, there's...
Because it didn't fit through any further than where I pushed it to.
It's a little snug right there. But if I take out the sleeve, it will give the bolt just enough movement.
Okay, well, I guess let's do one part at a time.
Yeah. Step 1. Get your ducks in a row. Step 2. All right. And that was the only other thing.
The clutch?
Yeah, this clutch lever is slightly different than the one. The other one was over here. This one's here. But
was that in the way, though? I don't know. If
it was a little.
Was it?
A wee little bit. So, wires are they? Ground and
Are
neutral.
these the wires you're going to be replacing in a second?
No, these ones are staying on the bike.
Okay.
Well, they might end up being replaced. That's a ground wire. That's the neutral light. All right, let's try lifting this up again.
Do you want me to get in closer to hold the bottom of the engine?
Yeah.
And just... Okay.
Can you...
Okay, people, if the camera falls over... I'm just gonna... Just give me a second. Try to leave that.
I'll just need you to put the...
Come to that side and slide the bolt through again?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna just leave the camera like that and see if it doesn't fall down. Where's the bolt? This one.
Yeah. So.
Here?
Yeah.
So. Is it supposed to come out this way?
Yeah.
With my fingers on? It's almost there. And can this go up any?
Well, if it can't go up anymore, I gotta take it out again. Try now.
Oh, I got it. Can your stronger thumb push that?
Maybe.
It's coming out this side now.
Can you...
I'll hold this.
I don't think it's... I gotta grind that. Let me see.
Like, so you can see it's coming through here now.
Yeah, let me by there.
Well, can I let this go?
Yeah. Yeah,
So is the bolt the wrong size?
Nope. There's...
Then what the hell?
It's tighter clearance on that, so I gotta pull this out. I'm gonna have to get the grinder or file that down.
It's because this engine is slightly bigger than the one you took out?
About slightly bigger, but it's...
Different shape, maybe.
It's slightly different.
So do you want your marker to make a mark on there?
No, I'm just going to file it. I'm going to pull it back out. The back one looks almost perfect. See if I can just... Come on, where are you at? going on here? Yeah, I can't get it. I gotta file that down. It's unless I don't think that'll work either.
Can you
I gotta
file
take
the
this.
bottom of the thing the bolt's coming through?
Yes,
Instead of your...
that I have to do, but I also gotta. Okay, there's that out. So apparently, sleeves, not a good idea. Alright, so I guess I'll drop the top bolt, file that down, just to give me some clearance, because the bottom one went in.
So, where you're talking about...
The bottom of this.
Yeah,
Just
can
filing
that be filed, not the...
I gotta, yeah, the engine's not being filed, so I'm gonna have to pull this engine out again. Go find my files.
Do you need me to hold anything?
No. Hey. All right. You're going down. Okay. You're back out of the way. All right. In the shed. Looking for a file.
Do you know where your files are?
I found a file. Found a whole bag of files.
This is going to be a terrible noise.
How
I hate it.
terrible. All right.
I hate this noise.
Well, I think a grinder would be faster, but
Oh, it's not too bad. I was thinking maybe more annoying. Oh, it's flattened out already, though. I can see on the... Lift it up again.
is it?
Yeah, it has flattened out, so I'm seeing.
Oh, well, just back up a bit there and all.
I don't think it needs a whole lot.
Maybe.
Why would you think you need files to put an engine in a bike?
Not everything is. It's the same style engine. It's not the same engine. Okay. Maybe. Okay. Now.
Do you need me to do something again? Should I leave? I can leave this here and
Well, you should be alright for
help
a
if you
minute.
need.
So.
Do you want me to push that screw through again?
No.
I got the camera standing in the dirt, so apologies to people if it falls over.
Alright. Yeah, maybe come over and.
Okay, in a sec, I'm just going to put this down. And,
I'm one arm short.
yep, give me 1 second. I wasn't camera ready. What do you want me to do?
Put the bolt through
Bolts.
with the swiftness.
Okay, you just leave it up. There you go. Let me take a look. It's got to go up a little there. Right there. Push it.
I'm trying, but it ain't going.
There. Go. Get it.
No, I don't. There it is.
There you go.
Okay. Let's try this bottom one again.
Yeah, you're there.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Push. There you go.
Yeah, I think the bottom one got a little more.
It is. It did. Oh,
I know what I'm doing.
I mean, I think it was fine.
I'm just...
There you go.
Oh, maybe I won't do that. Okay, just the washer it is.
Where are you putting the washer? On the outside? On that side?
It's not the right washer, but it will do for now. I'm gonna... Just hoping. Alright, this won't do what I want it to do, so. I'll just put the washer. Okay. Alright. I got an engine in. Mostly. Halfway. Pretty near. Well, oh wow.
I don't know if I believe that.
I don't know.
So.
Just one sec. Where did I?
Green.
I want one more of the big washers. But I don't know where I put them nuts. Oh, right in front of me. I gotta... Well, they're not going to be torqued on yet because I have no idea what the torque specs are. But it will be torqued on. And I'll probably... I might Loctite them. I may.
You don't need to hold anything.
No, I may later on take this one out. I forgot to put a washer on it. Or maybe I should do it now.
A washer on the side
On
that
this,
I pushed from?
yeah, on this side there. So I'm gonna...
Wow. I mean, you may as well just do it now. Do you want me to put my foot underneath it or something?
No, I can get this one in the back. I'll need that washer there in a minute. But I can, since the back's bolted in, it's easier.
Yeah.
I'll just need a little
I got it right here.
wiggling on the...
There you go.
There we go.
Washer.
One big old washer here. Oops. Can I have that? I'll just give her a little bit of zoop zoop. You know what I'm saying, G?
Not
Maybe.
usually.
Haha! Oops. Now, hopefully everything will be lined up when I go to do the almighty stuff, like...
So where does that wiring harness go on this?
There's a cover that goes back here and here.
Okay.
So when I start,
The new wiring harness.
the new wiring harness will be...
Does it replace these?
No, some of this is staying. Some of this is going. Because that is for the old regulator, which is different than this one. So I'll be taking some of this off. And then my next one will be splicing up some wiring, and hopefully I'll at least get some spark out of it. Then we'll throw some oil in, and maybe we'll hear some noise come out of it. Alright, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to see more.